Hello everyone, good day, especially to our professor, Dr. Manuel Roman. My name is Rachel S. Mijares and I am going to present to you the differences between interview and observations. And now let's define the interview. Interview is a research method where information is gathered through a conversation between an interviewer and one or more interviewees. Interview, it is where one person, which is the interviewer, asks questions and another person, which is the interviewee, provides answers. There are three types of interviews. First is the structured interview. It uses a predetermined set of questions in a specific order, often with closed-ended responses. It is a standardized interview process where all the interviewee are asked the same questions in the same order using the predetermined set of questions. The second type of interview is the semi-structured interview. It uses a mix of predetermined and open-ended questions, allowing for flexibility in the conversation. It combines the elements of both structured and unstructured interviews, offering flexibility while maintaining a framework for consistent data collection. This type of interview involves a predetermined set of open-ended questions or topics, but also allows for follow-up questions and the exploration of unexpected themes that emerge during the conversation. This approach allows researchers to gather in-depth information and insights while ensuring some degree of consistency across interviews. Third is the unstructured interview. It relies on open-ended questions and allows for a more conversational flow, exploring topics as they emerge. It is a flexible, conversational approach to collecting data where the interviewer doesn't follow a rigid script of questions. It's more like a natural conversation, with the interviewer adapting questions and topics based on the interviewee's responses. Now let's proceed to the observation. It is a research technique where a researcher systematically watches and records behaviors, events, or phenomena to gather data. It's a way to learn the world by directly observing it. It involves systematically observing and documenting what is happening without directly interviewing or manipulating the situation. There are also three types of observation. First is the naturalistic observation. Observing behaviors in their natural setting, like a sociologist watching interactions in a community center. It is a research method where researchers observe the subjects in their natural environment without interfering or manipulating the situation. The second type of observation is the participant observation. The researcher becomes part of the group being observed. For example, a researcher joining a support group to understand their dynamics. In the participant observation, the researcher actively participating in their activities while observing and documenting their behaviors and interactions. And the third one is the controlled observation. Observing behaviors in a controlled environment like a psychologist studying attention span in a lab setting. In the controlled observation, the researchers systematically observe participants in a carefully structured and controlled environment. Remember that interviews and observation are both methods of gathering information, but they differ in how they collect data. When we say interviews, it involves asking questions and receiving verbal responses, while the observation involves watching and recording behaviors or events without directly interacting with the subject. Here are the key differences between the interview and observation. In the data collection method, interview rely on direct verbal communication, while the observation relies on visual and auditory cues. Level of interaction. In the interview involve a direct interaction between the researcher and the subject, while the observation can be done with minimal or no interaction. And the control over variables. In interview, researchers have more control over the information gathered in an interview, as they can guide the conversation and ask specific questions, while in the observation, researchers have less control over the variables being studied. In the data interpretation, provide direct, verbal responses that can be easily analyzed in the interview, while in the observation, particularly unstructured observation, requires more interpretation and analysis. In the context and natural setting, in the interview, it allows the researcher to study behaviors in their natural context, providing a more realistic pictures of the subject's behavior, while the observation may introduce a degree of artificiality due to the structured nature of the conversation. In summary, interviews is a structured conversation where questions are asked and answers are provided, while the observation, watching, and recording behaviors or events in a natural setting. And that's my topic all about. Thank you for watching and listening. God bless us all.